Today our topic is worksheet 5, division of rational numbers. Okay. In our previous video, we have learned how to take the reciprocal of rational numbers. Now in this, we will divide the rational number. The first question is, okay, we have to divide 2 by 5 by minus 1 by 3. First put the sign 2 by 5 divide by minus 1 by 3. Means आपका ये आपका लेफ्ट साइड एक नंबर है, ये राइट साइड एक नंबर है. सो आपका जो राइट पार्ट है उससे आप डिवाइड करेंगे इसको. सो रिमेंबर दिस वन थिंग, you will take the rest when we cannot divide the rational numbers, we will change divide into multiply, and when you will change divide into multiply, we will take the reciprocal of this part. ओके इस पार्ट का आप रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे जिससे आप डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. टेक द रेसिप्रोकल, आप इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, दैट विल बी 3 बाय माइनस 1. ओके नाउ डिवाइड इट, मल्टीप्लाई इट, we cannot cancel, so multiply the numerator with numerator. 2 3 6 5 multiply minus 1 minus 5. Since we will write the answer in the standard form, minus 6 by 5 is the answer. Okay, one more example I am taking. Third part of this, minus 10 divide by 1 by 5. So first put the symbol minus 10 divided by 5. Write in the rational form. Okay, when we will change divide into multiplication, we will take the reciprocal of the second part. This is right part. Okay, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे आप जब आप डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करेंगे. दिस इज 5 by 1. 10 multiply 5 is 50 and negative is the negative 50. In denominator is 1, so we will write it minus 50. Similarly, the fourth part is 1 by 13 divided by minus 2. So divide by minus 2, convert into the rational form. Now change the divide into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the right part. This is 1 by minus 2. Okay, now 1 by minus 26. Write in the standard form. This is minus 1 by 26 is the required answer. Okay. Now the second question is, by taking the value of x and y, verify x divide y is not equal to y divide x. This is the commutative property, and we will verify in this worksheet. The commutative property will not be verified in the division, over division. Okay. Now we will do the question number 2 of the worksheet 5. We will verify this. Put the value of x, 3 by 4 divide value of y minus 5 by 6. Okay, so divide, how to divide? Change divide into multiply and take the reciprocal of the right part. This is 6 by minus 5. Cancel by 2. Okay, now multiply 3 3 is a 9, 5 2 is a 10, and negative is there, so negative 10. Write in standard form. This is minus 9 by 10. Now solve the right side. Put the value of y. This is minus 5 by 6. Divide 3 by 4. Now solve the division. Change into the multiply and take the reciprocal of the second right part. Okay, 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Divide by 2, 3 and 2. This is minus 10 by 9. You can see that these are not equal to each other. Hence, this property is verified. The left side is not equal to right side. Means commutative property division पर नहीं आपकी open होगी. Now question number 3. Find the product of two rational number is minus 3 by 7. If one of the rational number is 5 by 21, then find the other. How to solve this? In this question, the product is given and one number is given. So we will find the other number by division. Okay. How? See बच्चे, इफ आई एम टेकिंग द सिंपल नंबर, सबसे पहले मैं एक सिंपल नंबर लेकर आपको समझा रही हूँ. द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 5 and 6 is 30. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन 5 and 6 is 30. इफ मैं आपको वन नंबर हाइड कर लेती हूँ, सपोज करो मैं, मुझे आपको नहीं पता है कि द सेकंड नंबर इज व्हाट, मुझे आपको पता है कि द 6 इज वन नंबर. ओके, आपके टू नंबर्स की मल्टीप्लाई 30 और उनमें से एक नंबर 6 है, तो आप इजीली बता सकते हैं कि सेकंड नंबर आपका क्या होगा, 5 होगा. ओके, जब आप 30 को यानी कि दोनों नंबर्स की मल्टीप्लीकेशन को आप डिवाइड करेंगे वन नंबर से, सो आपका सेकंड नंबर फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली वी विल डू एंड अप्लाई दिस कंसेप्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन -3/7, वन नंबर इज 5/21, अदर नंबर जो आपकी प्रोडक्ट इज -3/7, डिवाइड इट बाय 5/21, दिस इज वन नंबर. ओके, आप प्रोडक्ट को वन नंबर से क्या कर देंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे. How to solve it? Convert the division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the right part. This is 21 by 5. Now cancel it by 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Multiply 3 3 is 9, negative 9 by 5. This is the other number. Now question is fourth. With what number should we multiply -36 by 35 so that the product be -6 by 5? Means with what number should we multiply? ठीक है, इस नंबर के साथ कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करें कि उन दोनों की प्रोडक्ट आपकी -6/5 आ जाए. तो आप क्या करेंगे, जो आपकी प्रोडक्ट है नंबर्स की, उसको आप डिवाइड करेंगे गिवन नंबर से. ठीक है, सो रिजल्ट जो आएगा दैट विल बी द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर. How to solve it? Product is given -6/5 according to question. Okay, we will divide the product by the given number. How to divide it? We will change divide into multiply and take the reciprocal of this number. The reciprocal of this number is 35 by -36. Now cancel it. 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 5 1 ja 5 7 ja. This is -7 by -6. Okay, make the denominator positive. When you will make it positive, it will be 7 by 6. This is our required answer. Now question number 5. In question number 5, we have to given the value of x and y and z and verify these properties. आपको वेरीफाई करना है. सेम सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. आप राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड लेके चलें और वैल्यू पुट करें, सॉल्व करते जाएं बाय द रूल एंड शो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन प्रॉपर्टी. आपको यही प्रूव करना है जो प्रॉपर्टी दी हुई है. Okay, only one I am taking the one part of the question number 5 and solve it. Not here. In the question number second of the fifth part, this is x divide x minus z. So do the correction here. It is not x, it will be y here. Okay, so correct it. So we will verify it. Put the value, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Put the value. A value of x is equal to -5/3. Divide value of y is equal to 2/7 minus value of z is equal to 1 by -4. Okay, now same put here. Value of x 5/3 divide by 2/7 minus value of x is equal to -5/3 divide by 1 by -4. Okay, first we will solve the bracket, then we will divide. -5/3 divide, LCM will be 28. Divide it by the 7, 4. 4 multiplied to 8 minus, sorry, there is one mistake. First we will change, make the denominator positive here. When you will make the denominator positive, so put the sign in the numerator negative. Now negative multiply negative is positive. 4 divide 28, 7 multiply 1 is 7. -5/3 divide 8 plus 7 15 by 28. -5/3 change into multiply and take the reciprocal of second right part. 28 by 15 cancel it by 5. This is -28 by 9. Now solve the right hand side. Minus 5 by 3. First we will divide then subtract. देखो ये आपकी एक अलग term है and this is the different term. There is the in between these two terms there is the subtraction sign. So first we will divide these numbers and these numbers, then we will subtract it according to the BODMAS rule. Okay. Now we will divide this number with this. So we will take the multiplication here and take the reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. Okay. Minus 5 by 3. Reciprocal of this is minus 4 by 1. Okay. Now minus 35 by 6 cancel नहीं हो रहा था. Minus negative multiply negative positive. 5 4 the 20 by 3. Take the LCM is 6. This is minus 35 minus 3 divide 6 2 multiply is 40. Answer is minus 75 by 6. You can cancel here by 3 3 2 3 2s and 3 5s. This is minus 25 by 2. You can see that these are not equal to each other. Hence, this side is not equal to this side. Verified. Similarly, do the first and the third part of the question number 5. Now, question number 4 is, from a rope of the length 40 meters, a man cut some equal sized pieces. How many pieces can be cut? Each piece is of 4 by 9 meter length. Means we have to given the length of rope, that is 40 meter, and the rope is cutted into the equal size pieces. After cutting piece, our one piece is equal to 4 by 9. Then we have to tell how many pieces will be cut from the rope. Okay, I am asking to you a simple question. If I have a 10-meter long rope and I will cut this rope into the equal parts, and one length of one part is 2 meter. अगर आप मेरे पास 10 मीटर की एक रोप है और उसके मैं आपके इक्वल पार्ट्स करती हूँ और 2 मीटर का एक पार्ट बनता है, सो कितने पार्ट आप करेंगे? यस, माइंड में आता है ना, दैट इज 5 पार्ट्स. 10 डिवाइड टू 5 parts. So same is here. We will divide the total length by the piece length of one piece. Okay, then we will get the number of pieces. Now see the question number 6. Question number 6 of the worksheet 5. Okay, we have to given the total length of rope is 40 meter and length of one piece is 4 by 9 meter. So अभी मैंने आपको ये एक्सप्लेन किया कि कैसे हम नंबर ऑफ पीसेस निकालेंगे. सो टोटल लेंथ को डिवाइड कर देंगे द लेंथ ऑफ द वन पीस. दिस इज 4 by 9. नाउ राइट इन द rational form. Okay, 40 by 1 you will divide. So change into multiply and take the reciprocal of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4. It will be cancelled by 4 1 ja 4 and 4 10 ja 40. 10 multiply 9 is 90 और denominator में 1 आएगा, so no need to write it. So answer is 90 pieces. Okay, how many pieces will be cut from the 40 meter rope and each piece is 4 by 9 meter? The answer is 90 pieces. I think so it is clear and you will do the worksheet 5 complete.